welcome to Very Vegan with Terry. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to do one of my favorite desserts, peanut butter cookies. Now if you know me personally, or if you've been watching this channel for any length of time, you know that I think peanut butter should be its own food group and should be a daily requirement because it's one of my all-time favorite foods. So today we're going to make peanut butter cookies. Let's get started. Alright, this recipe is actually very simple. We're going to start with 1 cup of oat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of pitted dates, 1 cup of, you guessed it, peanut butter. And yes, you're right, I'm going to be licking the spoon on this one because it's peanut butter. And what we have, this is 1 flax egg. Flax egg is simply 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, 2 tablespoons of water, and it's been sitting for about 15 minutes. So this replaces your egg if you don't eat eggs. And 1/4 cup of water. All right, we're just going to blend this until it all sticks together and it's all well combined. And we're going to use a parchment paper lined baking sheet. My dog wants to say hello. Say hi, Kate. Look who's here. Hi. He's a sweetie boy. Alright, this is going to make about 8 cookies. So just grab a little bit, roll it into a ball, put that on your baking sheet. And like I said, these are going to make 8. So you can adjust. Actually, it's going to make 12. I'm sorry. Let me take that back. It's going to make 12. And then you want to kind of just flatten this with your hand a little bit, almost like a burger patty. And the beauty in this is if you see one's too big and one's too small, you can make adjustments. These are going to go into a 350-degree oven for 15 minutes. Now, if you remember the little crisscross on peanut butter cookies that you saw when you were a kid, this is how you make it. You just take your fork, press it down, and just make a little crossway thing on there. Then you have those little grids that we all grew up with. Peanut butter grids, which are heaven in my opinion. This also helps the cookie to flatten a little bit so it cooks a little more evenly. Alright, 350 degrees, 15 minutes, and we have a yummy, nutritious dessert. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you, have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, peanut butter. Oh boy.